Okay, let's continue the scene.
You know, sometimes I remember before, Jason was saying,
Oh god, don't talk about that.
I wish everything could just be the way it was before.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
Did you just knock me out of the way? How come I walk so much faster than everyone else?
Hey, Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel? Can I?
Sure. Go pick a horse and get on. I'll get a ticket.
Hello.
Please. Let's go.
Aren't you the same guy who was at the hotel where Lauren was? Sean, where are you? Oh, there you are. Hope you enjoy it. See, I knew this scene would last longer. Uh-oh, it's going Silent Hill again. I'm gonna have another schizophrenia moment. Whoa. Blink. I'm somewhere else. Whoa! Wow, that was close. Imagine if I didn't do that. It's good dodging too. Where the hell's Sean then? I don't have the same place. Sean! How the hell could I leave him? Why would he still be here? Bag? No! Where'd it go? Did the origami killer take him? You upstairs, Sean? Oh, that light just turned on by itself. Cool. Oh, no. Do I have that stuff in my hand? Oh, no.